Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show meeting control toolbar during a meeting on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Go to the left side column and tap on Settings. Go to the top and click on Meeting and scroll down to the In Meeting Basics section. And here you can find the Always Show Meeting Control toolbar section that you can turn on by tapping on this button, and then the meeting controls will be shown during a meeting, but you can always turn it off and disable it by coming back to this section and tapping on the same button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.